Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we want to show how President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, amid economic hardship in Nigeria, has appointed more propagandists than economists. I want to show how President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, amid economic hardship in the country, has appointed more propagandists than economists. Now, before we go further on this topic, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you will be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu claimed that he made an economy in dire strait, even though during the campaign, he promised to build on the economic foundation led by President Muhammadu Buhari. It was the dire state of the economy that informed his removal of fuel subsidy from day one and the flotation of the Naira policies that the New York Times and the Financial Times of London blamed for the economic woes of Nigerians in what they described as economic crisis of generational proportion in Nigeria today. For a government that claimed it made distressed economy left for it by Buhari, you would think that his government will be populated by economists, political economists, economic advisors, special advisors on economy. Alas, what we have is the prioritization of communication assistance, ostensibly propagandists, to be in charge of misinforming Nigerians, literally, of what the government is really all about. Because the truth of the matter is that if you don't need much communication assistance if you are doing well. The reason why you can have so many communication assistants is because you want to sell propaganda, because you know that you are not likely to achieve much. As I talk to you now, if I ask you who is the chief economic advisor of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you may not know. And even if you Google it, you will not see any name as chief economic advisor to the president of a country in economic dire strait. If that doesn't tell you something, I don't know what will tell you anything. He seems to prioritize communication propagandists that will come on television and elsewhere to call black white. Now, it is important we understand this so that Nigerians be able to know what they are facing and what the government think of them. Now, this was brought to fore recently when the president appointed Daniel Bwala, who used to be media aide to presidential candidate of the PDP in the 2023 presidential election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, as special advisor on public communications and media at the State House. The announcement of Bwala's appointment was made by Special Advisor on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, who is also one of the propagandists of the government. Before then, the president had appointed Sunday Dare, a former minister, as special assistant on public communication and orientation. Okay? Now, when Ajuri Ngelale resigned as a spokesman, many had hoped that Bayo Onanuga would step into the job and thus save taxpayers' money, because there was virtually nothing different from what Ajuri Ngelale was doing and what Bayo Onanuga is doing. They were just the same. One person could have done handled the two jobs. Okay? So when Ajuri Ngelale stepped out, you will think that a government that prioritizes cutting the size of government, that it will now say, yeah, this is a good opportunity. Let us not fill the vacancy. But what did they do? Instead of appointing somebody to replace Ajuri Ngelale, he appointed two persons. You have Bwala. Bwala was appointed, Daniel Bwala was appointed, and Sunday Dare. After losing one communication somebody, he brought in two persons. Now, Bayo Onanuga, Sunday Dare, and Daniel Bwala are not the only ones employed to sell the government to the people using propaganda to counter the opposition leaders who have been saying that the government has failed Nigerian people. Others that have been appointed in this propaganda machine of Bola Ahmed Tinubu include Tunde Rahman, SSA Media, Abdulaziz, SSA Print Media, Otega Ogra, Senior Special Assistant Digital New Media, Digital New Media, Tope Ajayi, Senior Special Assistant, Media and Public Affairs. Shegun Dada, Special Assistant, Social Media. Mr. Frederick Nwagofo, Senior Special Assistant to the President, Public Engagement. Mrs. Linda Nwabowa Ahibe, Senior Special Assistant to the President, Strategic Communication. Mr. Aliyu Audu, Special Assistant to the President of Public Affairs. Now, these are all people that a government employs just to communicate to Nigerians. In a government that claimed that it inherited economy in dire strait. All it was concerned about is how to populate its government with people who sell propaganda across all the media spaces. Because if you trust yourself that you come to serve Nigerian people, you don't need that much people to be able to tell the country what you have achieved or what you have not achieved. It therefore shows that the government is more concerned on selling its non-existent achievements as propaganda to the Nigerian people, so that people will think that they have achieved much. So if the government is really serious about improving the economy, it could have prioritized appointing economic advisors, because there are all the sectors in Nigeria are in serious trouble. What we need are people that can advise on how to improve them. But alas, that's not the case. The government is more concerned with employing propagandists. So this is just for Nigerians to know how the Nigerian government think of them, how the Tinubu administration think of them. They are not thinking of improving the economy. What they are thinking of, how they can be able to defend the indefensible. All these people, all these media communication people that populated everywhere, is basically to be able to to sell ice to the Eskimos. That's basically what they are. To sell ice to the Eskimos. And that to me tells a lot how the government regard Nigerian people. Because it means that they are not ready to work for Nigeria. If you're ready to work for Nigerians, improve the economy, the welfare of Nigeria, you ought to populate everywhere with economic advisors across all the sectors, so that we can begin to see how we can get out of the woods, out of the dire strait that the Tinubu administration and the APC in general put this country in the last 9 years or so, since they came to power in 2015, and have virtually destroyed the economy of Nigeria, and Nigeria has become a basket case. So I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about a government that prioritizes populating its government with propagandists instead of those that can actually work on things that can improve the economy? Those who can advise on where things are going wrong in all the sectors of our economy, in agriculture, in small-scale businesses, in industries, in import and exports. We need special advisors, special assistants that will be doing all those kind of things that will add value to the development of the country. But what do we say? What we have seen is that the government prioritizes appointing those who sell propaganda to Nigerian people as if it were the truth. I don't know what to think about this. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. What do you think about the preponderance of communication people in Tinubu's administration instead of economists and others that could add value to the economy of Nigeria? Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.